Remove the 2 water pipes from the battery pack. Drain the coolant. Use a container to catch the coolant. After the coolant has been completely drained, reinstall the water pipes. Installation completed. Now start adding coolant. Fill the coolant up to the maximum level. Now start bleeding the coolant for the vehicle. We go into the VCU system. Select the vehicle control module. Then enter special functions. Select water pump bleeding. Tap OK. Bleeding has started. Wait for the device bleeding progress bar to finish. Bleeding completed will be displayed. It is recommended to repeat the operation 2 to 3 times. Coolant replacement completed. Road test can be performed.